Today, almost everything we see around us is connected. But why is connectivity so important? What does this mean for the millions of people who rely on elevators and escalators every day? It's all about staying ahead of potential issues. With traditional maintenance, we can only solve problems once they happen. But with KONE Care Predictive Maintenance, we use AI-based analytics to identify potential problems before they disrupt your day. This saves you time and money and keeps the people in your building safe and at ease. But how does it work? Predictive maintenance is powered by KONE 24/7 Connect, an innovative solution that keeps a constant eye on critical equipment parameters in real time. Intelligent data analysis anticipates maintenance needs and addresses potential issues before they turn into real problems. Vast amounts of data are collected around the clock. The service works with all brands of elevators and escalators. With KONE and selected third-party equipment, data is gathered continuously via the controller. For other brands, additional sensors are installed to add predictive capabilities. By comparing the information with data gathered from tens of thousands of identical units, the system can quickly see if something doesn't look quite right, allowing us to take preventive action. So what happens when the system notices that something might be going wrong? Here, the data is showing that the elevator doors are reopening too often, starting to close, then opening again before they're completely shut. The elevator data is then analyzed by KONE 24/7 Connect. This time, the problem doesn't require immediate action. The system has noted that there is a maintenance visit scheduled for the coming weeks. To address the problem, KONE 24/7 Connect includes an additional check for the technician's next visit, along with recommendations on how to solve the issue. This is how the service helps our technicians to get the right information at the right time so they can take proactive action. They know the nature of the fault before they arrive on site, improving their ability to fix the problem quickly and have the right spare parts. If something urgent were to happen, the system would send the technician to the site immediately. For cases that need extra attention, one of our technical experts analyzes the equipment data and decides the next steps. KONE 24/7 Connect is a cognitive system, which means it learns and becomes progressively smarter every time it processes a piece of data. With this vast knowledge base and smart analytics, we can prevent even more potential issues in the future. At KONE, safety is our top priority, and we work continuously to stay ahead of potential cybersecurity issues. We manage cybersecurity on multiple layers, following strict security principles and industry best practices to ensure your equipment data is secure. KONE Care Predictive Maintenance brings together cutting-edge technologies, intelligent algorithms, and the expertise of KONE people. The insights of technicians on site play a key role in delivering and continuously improving our services. You can stay up to date and save time by checking equipment data, status details, and important planning information via KONE digital customer channels. This helps you to stay one step ahead and always keep the right people in the know. For people who use escalators and elevators every day, connected equipment means a safer, smoother journey. And for you, it means fewer unexpected problems and a clear picture of everything that's going on. Peace of mind starts here.